introduce yourself?
My name is Mary, and I come from a non-IT background. So previously, I have worked in different industry for almost 5 years, and then now I wanted to move into IT industry. So that's the reason I have joined this course. So that's about myself.
Okay, what is main method?
Main method is which from where the program starts executing line by line.
Okay, can you explain in detail?
In every for every class or for every program, there is only one method, one main method, and it starts public static void main, and only one method will be there. So whatever, how many ever methods we want, concrete methods we can create in a class. So we have to call them by creating an object inside the main method. So from there, this execution happens line by line.
Okay. What is method overloading?
Method overloading, here we are creating or developing many methods with the same name, but a difference in the argument list is called as method overloading.
What are the conditional statements?
Conditional statements are greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to, equals to, and not equals to. And then these conditional operators we use in conditional statements like if statement, if else statement, if else if statement, and nested if statement.
Okay. What is inheritance?
Inheritance, here we are inheriting the property of one class into another class. We also inherit the variables and the methods of that particular class.
Okay, explain all the types of inheritance.
We have different kind of inheritance. First is single level inheritance. Here, one subclass child is inheriting the property from one superclass method. And in multi-level inheritance, one subclass is inheriting from one superclass and from there to another superclass. That is multi-level inheritance. And in multiple level inheritance, here the case is one subclass is inheriting the property from two or many superclass properties. And we have hierarchical level here. Many subclass is inheriting the property from one superclass property. And we also have combination of all these properties as well.
Okay. So what is method overriding?
Method overriding. So developing a method with the same name and the signature as it is present in the subclass is known as, but variation in the implementation is known as method overriding.
Okay. What is super keyword?
Super keyword, we use this in case of method overriding concept, in which where the parent method is overridden, to call that parent method, we use the super keyword.
Okay. What is super calling statement?
Super calling statement, super calling statement we used to call parent class constructor from the child class constructor, and it is always present in the first line of the constructor.
Okay. What is difference between local and global variable?
Local variable, the variable is present inside the method, and the scope of it is starts from starting of the method till end of the method, and we cannot differentiate between static or non-static in local variable, and it doesn't have any default values, and then we cannot utilize it without initializing the variable. Coming to global variable, the global variable can be from starting of the class till end of the class. It is written inside the class but outside the method. And it can differentiate between static and non-static. And we can utilize the global variable without initializing them. And they have the default value for it.
What is the default value of all data types in global variable?
Okay. Byte, short, int, long have the default value of 0. Float and double will have the default value of 0.0. Boolean is false. Char is null. Char is not defined. Still is string is null.
Okay. What is this keyword?
This keyword we use where we have to assign the local variable to the global variable, and it will always be non-static in nature. Here the condition is the global variable should be same as the method parameterized. That is the condition to use this keyword.
What is this calling statement?
This calling statement, it is used to call the call from one constructor to the another constructor within the same class.
Okay. So what is a scanner?
Scanner, it is a predefined class in Java. And here we use scanner to, it takes the input at the runtime. And we have different methods in scanner class, like next int, next boolean, next string, next double, next float, next string. Sorry, next, only next. And these are the different methods present in the scanner class.
Okay.
And it is final class. We cannot make any changes to the scanner class.
Okay. So what is the exception we get in scanner?
We get input mismatch exception.
Okay. What is exception handling?
In exceptional handling, like whenever we get any exception, we try to put it in, we use two methods, try and catch methods, try and catch block. And whenever we are getting when there is no exception, the try block will execute. If there is an exception, we handle it in the catch block, and that catch block will get executed.
Okay. What is finally?
Finally, even though like if you are trying to do try and catch methods, whatever it executes, after that we write finally, and whatever it might be, the finally block will definitely get executes. So that is about finally.
What is abstract class and abstract method?
Abstract, okay. Abstract class is a class in which abstract methods are present. And in abstract methods, we don't have any implementation, and it will always be non-static in nature.
Okay. What is difference between abstract method and concrete method?
Okay. Abstract method. In abstract method, we have to use the word keyword abstract, and in concrete method, we don't have to use any keyword. Abstract method doesn't have any implementation, and concrete method has implementation present in it. And abstract method should be whatever the method that are present in abstract method, compulsory they should be overridden. And coming to the concrete, they are static and non-static. So only the non-static methods will be getting overridden. Must be overridden.
Okay. What is interface?
Interface is a keyword where we use in multiple level inheritance concept. because multiple level inheritance concept is not possible by using class. So here we use interface with the keyword implements so that we can create a relationship.
What is abstraction?
Abstraction, here we are hiding the implementation and exposing only what is required. That we call it as abstraction.
What is encapsulation?
Encapsulation, here we are hiding the sensitive part of the application using the access specifier called as private, and we are indirectly giving the access to it using getter and setter methods. Getter method is used to get the value and setter is used to set the value, and these both should be its access specifier should be public in nature.
Okay. What is polymorphism?
The object showing different kind of behavior at different stages of its life cycle is called as polymorphism. Here we have two types of polymorphism, compile time polymorphism and then runtime polymorphism. And compile time polymorphism is the object showing different kind of behavior at different stages of life cycle based on the arguments passed during the compile time is called as compile time polymorphism. And coming to runtime polymorphism, an object showing different kind of behavior at different stages of its same behavior at different stages of its life cycle based on the object that we create during the runtime is called as runtime polymorphism.
Okay, write a program to check if your name is palindrome or not.
My name. Okay. So should I share the screen?
Yes, yes. Open your Eclipse also.
Yeah. Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, fine.
Yeah.
Hmm. Write a program to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division using scanner class and take two variables as global variables.
Sir, division also, right?
Yes, division.
Pattern.
Yes, fine.
Right.
Okay, shall I close the sharing?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Mary. You have answered very much brilliantly all questions, and also programming also you are very fluent. And
Thank you, sir.
keep practicing programming and theory concepts of Java, and watch the mock interviews. You can still be better.
Okay, sir. Sure. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.